about it, about the cover. When did I come up with the idea? Let's see. Okay, so I came up with the idea in May, but then I had to wait to see if we were able to sing the song. So that took a little bit of time. So yeah, I decided it on May, and then I think it took until I think it took until June if we would be able to sing it, and pitched it to EN, and they were like, let's do it, yippee. One thing I wanted to do was I really wanted to have like more towards the end, have like everybody's streams in the background and stuff like that, but I figured there was not a lot of time and I didn't have time to gather all of it, so that's okay. Oh, at the beginning of July, we had maybe half of the illustrations done, and so I just got him a couple of the ones that were done, and he was able to use them as like a reference. Speedrun, I know. And by July 8th, a first draft of like the beginning and stuff. What's today's date? Yesterday was Wednesday. So on like Monday, I was giving people like the instrument. I was showing the other EN members the instrumental. I also meant to thank. I really wanted to thank Petra, because Petra helped. She came up with the harmony guide and gave everybody like a piano guide to follow, and she assigned the harmonies. So I credited her in the description because she really helped with that. Petra always the MVP. I know, she's so. I didn't even ask her. She offered. I was so grateful. I saw that in the credits. I'm glad that people noticed. So Petra was super awesome with helping out with assigning the harmonies and giving everybody, even not even just like a harmony guide, but also a vocal guide. She was so great. And Millie and Enna, Shu and Ren and Doppio, everybody gave their insight on like, Millie was helping with the music video, kind of offering suggestions on like little changes to like the font. Oh, Rosemi pointed out some stuff too. Everybody really, but this was all like on Monday. So like, on Monday I got the mix back, and I was just like, okay guys, how does this sound? Can we change some of the instrumental? And I was like, I felt this too. So I went back to Gyrus and I was just like, I know you finished the instrumental for me like a while ago, but like I have more changes, and this is Monday. And can you change this? And like Enna wrote like a ton of really great notes, so thank you, Enna. Oh, Ike with the mix also offered a lot of really great, I'm not someone that does a lot of music projects very often, so I've been sending everybody like the tuning process and the mixing process, so that if anybody had any stuff they wanted to change, if they were just like, this sounds a little sharp or whatever, they could give their feedback, because I wouldn't want anybody, if it's a group project, I wouldn't want anybody to be like, oh, I sounded so awful in this part, or, not that anybody said that or anything, but so they were able to hear the full thing ahead of time. Oh yeah. Usually I like to keep these things kind of a surprise, but like I said, I don't want people being like, oh, I wish this could have been changed. I'm happy it was a team effort too. Yeah. I don't really do like music very well, and obviously I trust Ike and Enna's input, and Millie's too, like 100%. Like they were just like, tell the mixer to tweak this and to up this and to add this, and tell the instrumental to add this bass and do this and that. So like in the end, I did all the setting up, and actually Ryugen, the motion graphics, he was recommended by Ike and Shu, so they helped me with that. So it's really an NijisanjiEN project. Yeah, it's awesome. It's crazy, but NijisanjiEN has all the skills for a full production team in-house. This is so fun. This is what makes me laugh, is because like Finana's reference sheet is just like just sitting there. My favorite. Okay, I want to talk about a little bit about the illustrations too, because these are the drafts, or like the the whips I got, all the drafts, and everybody looks so cute. And I saw Sunny, and I was like, this is a pose that Sunny will never do. And I kept it because I was like, it's so not Sunny that I wanted it. He's being so cute. I know. Like, it's so great. I mean, all the art looks so good. Look at this. Look at this guy with his little feet kicked up. He's just so like, he just looks so girly pop. I love it. Look at it's so cute. Who decided on the outfits? The illustrator. All of them. All of them. They are cracked. When did they send me the draft? I don't remember. But like, they sent me this and I was just like, oh my god, the outfits are all perfect. Like, all so perfect. I love Iluna's, how they're all wearing like something like see-through, something. And then XLA, they've got like the fishnets and stuff. Like, it's like they came up with everything. It's so great. We got tights. I like Axiom's got like the inside of the jacket all has their colors. I'm like, holy fashion. Thank you. I think my favorite outfit might be Rosemi. Rosemi and Ayaya's, I think. Like, I would wear this. It's so cute. It's so cute. So cute. Rosemi. Where's Ayaya? Ayaya's just so cute too. Right too, probably. I think, where is she? Millie's I also really like too. I would wear that also. Yeah, everybody was so stylish looking. Everybody's poses are so dynamic and fun and cute, and it's just great. Glad Nina was able to participate in this. I almost cried on her part. Yeah, I'm glad too. She was just like, are you sure you want me to participate? Like, at first she didn't sign up. She was just like, you know, I'm not gonna be around when it comes out. So, are you sure? And I was like, yes. Of course. It doesn't matter. She was like, it might be awkward. I was like, why would it be awkward? I am really sorry to the takaradachi and mistakes and sicklings, you know, for Hex and Mista and Alvin not being in it. I did think about including their art, but like, you know, obviously if they wanted to be in it, even if they had asked me a week ago, I probably would have been like, I'll fit you in somewhere. But you know, I have so many comments just being like, where Hex? Where Mista? Where Alvin? But you know, the invitation was definitely given to them, and they all had their own reasons for not being able to join. Or even if they weren't interested, that's totally okay too. So, that's totally okay. I just kind of, you know, I came in and I was just like, you know, I was like, I want as many people as possible. How much did it cost? Everything. And yeah, it cost me already a lot of money. I hate myself. And things like that. So my bank, yeah, you know, I don't wanna think about the financial part of it, because it was just a passion project of mine, and something that I really wanted to do. And for any kind of cover, when I ask other people to join me in a cover, I always cover all of it, because I'm the one who came up with the idea. I'm not going to ask people to pay when, you know, I'm the one who comes in and is just like, I want to do this thing. So like, even when Elira was trying to, she was like trying to send me money for Tooting Love, and I was like, no ma'am. But I've already paid for it. Most of it. I've already paid for most of it. Pomu bankruptcy. I have a problem, I think. I have a problem, I think. It's nothing else. I won't. I think it's because maybe I don't purchase a lot of stuff for myself. Like sometimes I'll get clothes. You know, like the biggest thing I've bought for myself in the past couple of years was the Patchy slot machine. You know what I mean? So I would much rather, you know, spend it on a project and get content from it. You need a car, don't you? It's fine. My car can wait. It's okay. But yeah, so I'm happy that it all worked out in the end. Even like from staff side, I was just like, oh my god, am I gonna get the approval in time? And I got the approval the day before. I got the approval the day before, so I was just like holding my breath. I was so stressed because I was just like, how? What if they said I already teased the date? I was like, what if they're just like, you need to change this? I probably would have just cried. I would have just jumped off a bridge right then and there. The cover's at 420k views in less than 24 hours? That's crazy. That's actually insane. Oh my god. Okay, so I came up with the idea in May, but then I had to wait to see if we were able to sing the song. So that took a little bit of time.